What if right now another you is watching another version of this same video? And what if that mirror version made one different choice and your entire life changed? Just stop for a moment and let that thought sink in. Because if the mirror universe theory is real, then every decision you ever made, every hesitation, every tiny moment you ignored created another version of you in another universe, living a completely different life. Think about the last time you had to decide something simple: what to eat, where to go, whether to say yes or no. In your world, you made one choice, but in another universe, another you made the opposite one. And from that moment on, your lives became completely different. Imagine this: a version of you who slept early last night and woke up with a fresh mind, and his entire day went differently. A version of you who missed a bus and met someone who changed everything. A version of you who never met the people you know today. A version of you who never cried over the things you cried for. A version of you who never lost what you lost, and a version who never got what you got. We grow up believing we are just one person, living one life, moving through one timeline. But what if that's the biggest illusion of all? What if reality is not a straight line, but a branching tree of infinite possibilities, and you are just one leaf among countless others? Steady-paced scientists discovered something strange in the quantum world. Particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. Not one, not two, but many. Subtle emphasis, they call it superposition. And if the smallest pieces of reality can exist in many states, questioning then, why can't you? Why can't your choices, your future, your entire existence, also exist in more than one version? Some physicists believe that every time a particle chooses a state, a new universe appears. And because you are made of particles, your choices create universes too. That means there is a universe where you are more confident, a universe where you followed your passion, a universe where you said what you never gathered the courage to say, a universe where you fixed the mistakes you regret. And yes, a universe where you made even bigger mistakes. There are versions of you who succeeded in everything, and versions who lost everything. Versions who are happier than you, and versions who are darker than you can imagine. And here's the strange part. Each one of them believes they are the original, just like you. So what separates you from your mirror self? Just one choice, one thought, one moment of hesitation. Sometimes you feel déjà vu, as if a memory from another life briefly touches you. Sometimes you dream of a life you never lived, yet it feels familiar. Some scientists think these could be tiny leaks, small signals from your other selves, echoing through the thin boundaries between universes. Imagine a version of you who made all the right decisions. Imagine meeting them. Would you be proud, jealous, inspired, afraid? Now imagine the opposite. A version of you who made the one wrong decision that completely destroyed their life. That version also exists, in a universe you'll never see, but you might feel it, in your fears, in your instincts, in your silent whispers that say, "Don't do this, you've done it before somewhere, and it didn't end well." Scientists believe our universe might not be alone. Space might be full of cosmic bubbles. Each one a universe, each one holding different versions of reality and different versions of you. Some universes might have Earth exactly like ours, but with a different history. Maybe humans evolved differently. Maybe a different country became powerful. Maybe a different species became intelligent. Maybe events we consider inevitable never happened at all. And somewhere in one of those universes, your mirror self is living a life you will never know. A life shaped by tiny decisions. A life that could have been yours if you had taken one different step. Isn't it strange that you sometimes feel you were meant for something, or that you narrowly escaped something you didn't even understand? Maybe you did. Maybe you lived it in another universe, and that version of you is sending a whisper back. So ask yourself, what if the dreams you have are not dreams, but glimpses? Brief windows into the lives of the other yous, who exist out there, some happier, some darker, some wiser, some lost. Maybe the universe is trying to show you that reality is not fixed, and your life is not stuck. That every new decision you make creates a new path, a new timeline, a new possibility. And maybe, just maybe, the best version of you already exists in another universe, waiting for you to take the first step that will turn your world into theirs. So let me ask you again, one final time. What if another you is watching another version of this same video right now? And what if the choice you make after watching this video creates another universe where everything in your life finally changes? Tell me in the comments, do you believe your mirror self exists? And before you go, hit subscribe, because the next video might show you the universe where you already did.